This is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, roof rails, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Nick Mayer Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 24400 Center Ridge Road in Westlake.